In this video I want to show you how to get started with getting LaTeX onto your computer and then getting an editor as well. I'll probably do another video with a different set of sort of package manager. In this case we'll use MikTeX and TexStudio, and then in the next video I'll probably try and use some other alternatives. Okay, so first thing to do is to install MikTeX. So this will get LaTeX onto your computer so that you can actually use it. I'll put this in on the GitHub page so that you can get straight here and download that, and then TexStudio. I'll also put this link on the GitHub page, and then you can download that over there. And then to get started with the Stellenbosch packages, I'll also just do a quick example of how to get this going. So this is on Stellenbosch CTAN. This is already on the GitHub. What you can do is just at the bottom here you can download the contents of this package, so it'll download all the documentation and the files and everything that we need. Okay, so I've already downloaded the MikTeX and the TexStudio, so I'll just quickly go through the install here with you. There's only one step that I would recommend making a change. So here installs per normal, just your location, preferred paper size A4, and then this is now the thing that I recommend to make sure. Install missing packages on the fly. I find this very helpful from MikTeX. So there's yes, no, and ask me first. I recommend sticking to ask me first. As soon as we get going with the tutorial, I'll show you, or showing you how to get the Stellenbosch template set up. I'll show you why this is important. It means if you've got packages missing, it'll automatically install them. You don't need to do anything. Yeah. Next install. Alright, so once that's done, we can hit next. Check for updates now, and don't tell me more. Okay. Then we can get TexStudio installed. This goes a little bit quicker. And now we should be set. So I'm just going to, from the start menu, say alrighty. Now once you've got TexStudio open, you can see there's a lot of things going on. Let me just close some of this. Yours should look like this when you open it up. Now if you download that Stellenbosch package, we get this over here. I'm going to say extract all, just in this location is okay. And then what I want to do is just get one of the templates out. So we go in there, and then in doc there's templates, and then in this case let's just use the article example. So I'll copy that back here, and then I'll also just extract the article template, and that is now over here. There we go, STB article, and then we've got our PDF, our text file, and then the bib file, and then we've also got some images here, which in this case is a PDF. Okay, so from within TexStudio, we can say is file open, and then I should have it here already. So you open the text file, open that up, and here we go, we've got our text file already set. Okay, now what we can do on the left hand side, there's some options here. I'm not going to go through all of this, but over here we can just see this is the folder that we're in. We've got the PDF, the bib file, and the text file, and then we can run the file. Now what you'll see is some of the things that I spoke about when we installed MikTeX was it'll automatically prompt me to install some things. So you can see it's starting to build the project, and then it'll give some pop-ups there we go. So it gives me a pop-up that it wants to, it couldn't find the STB title page.style, and it's part of this package and it wants to install it. So I just say, okay, cool, that's all right, you can install that. And that's that sort of install on the fly that we did on the install over there. So there's a couple of them. I'll just click through them. It's because I completely removed LaTeX from my computer before doing this tutorial. So there's going to be a couple, but that'll only be the first time. After that, it'll only install packages once you, or require new installation packages once you add new packages. Okay, there we go. So you would have seen that on the left hand side some additional files appeared. These are sort of auxiliary files that LaTeX uses. These aren't important for you. And then you would have seen this stop button would have been red whilst it was running, and then once it's done you can again see these compile buttons, and then this little sort of icon over here allows you to put your PDF to the side whilst you're editing. You can scroll around, and if you control click on anything it takes you to that place in your code. So let's go back to, I don't know, package up here, and you can see this is the at the begin document, the first paragraph, which is packing bed material, and there it is. So just to show you that it doesn't install packages every time and that I do something, if you check the author here is Don Else, I'll quickly change that in here, if I can just find it. Come on, man, there we go. So I'll change this to Philip Luchtart, save that and then build it. Now that'll go a bit quicker, obviously, because I'm not having to install things, and there we go. We've got it updated to Philip Luchtart. Alright, hope this helps.